Hello mga sister-in-law. So this time we are going to open our parcel. So first this one. And na-open na siya as you can see. And kasi I need to open it as soon as possible because I will not identify what will my outfit could be. So this is what it looks like. That is the first one. So this is at the back part. This is at the front part. So that is the So that's it. So for my review for this one, or my message is, I like the packaging, look at that one, and I like it has no scratch or anything, and I like, at least they put some like this, of course, and yeah, that is, dito pa rin. So that's it, JMC fans. This is my first product, my first parcel or my order. And let's go to the next one, which is our polo. I'm not sure if this is the polo one, but we are going to look at it if it's quality. It packages like this. Tanggal ko ng isang piraso. Charing! So, ganun siya guys. So, ito yung polo guys. There you go. Actually, sobrang stretchable nyo. O, diba? Kaya, wala akong problema kahit, basta ganun. Little package lang siya, pero at least, yan. So, this is my polo, guys. Oh my gosh, I like it. So, yes, look at that one. This is the back part. Yeah. And this is, ganyan. This is the front part guys, it has a buttons, so I love it actually, and we're going to fold it. So for my review or for my message for that polo, I like it. It's so hindi naman siya sobrang stretchable, but I like it because the texture of it. And next one, let's go to the third package, and that is my necktie, and it's color red. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Like, gosh, I'm flabbergasted. It looks like this, guys. Oh my gosh. So, ito yung try to show. Yan. Ito yung back part. This is the front part. Like that. Oh my gosh. I like it. Look at that. I like it. Naka-plastic siya, guys. So, we have no problem with that. And we are going to put everything in here. And for my review or my message to this necktie, this is actually beautiful because I like the color. It's not very gusot or anything. So yeah, I'm talking Taglish right now, but that's okay. I like the color of it. So yeah, that is my color. So yeah, that is mine. Someone message me. So yeah, that's all, and thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and that is for my unboxing moment. And yes, halos ganito siya guys. Oh my god, basta yun, mga ganito ang ating basura. But the important is we are done with our 3 parcel or orders. As you can see, this one, this polo, this is that one, and yeah, that's all. Necktie, polo, and this one. So yes, that's all. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I'll post this to TikTok or any platform, maybe YouTube. And yes, click the subscribe button on my account, and yes, click the notification bell, click all for more updates of my channel. Yes, and that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Hello mga sisterette ko. So today's video we are going to open something na naman, and the blazer siya, I think. So I'm so excited. Let's open it. And makikita nyo yung ibang opening or unboxing parcel ko in Emerald sa videos na vlog ko. Kasi actually hindi ko na-vlog ko siya pero di ko pa na-edit ko pa later. So let's see, and tignan natin kung, and yung size nito XL, is color black. So para kung may magtatanong or someone will ask what is it for, it's for my prom. Okay, so ay ang ganda ng packaging. Ganyan siya kalaki, pinold lang, kaya yan, ito yung first package. Ganun. Yan, ganda. Wow! Ano? Actually, wala kaming kuryente ngayon, pero ang ganda ng ilaw. Diba? So, XL siya. Maganda siya. Maganda siya, guys, kasi XL dahil matangkad ako. Alam mo yung mga friends ko. And mga family ko. So, yes. So, ganito yung back part, guys. Yan, kita nyo ba? Wait lang. So, talagang pure black siya, ganun siya. Ang ganda yung tela, guys. Yan, ganun. Tapos meron siya, of course, yung buttons. Hindi masyado makita. Wait lang. So, ito yung packets niya. Andito yung packets. Yan, oh. Yan. So, ito yung buttons. Okay. Ito din, meron din dito siya, guys, yung paglalagyan niya ng mga like handkerchief or towel para pag napkin, ganun pala ang term for that. Tapos ito buttons sa Tagalog, botones. So ganito na yung packets, dalawa yung packets niya, isa dito, yan, tapos isa dito, tapos tatry ko na lang siya, tapos design ko siya. So that's all, and kakatapos ko lang hugas, magluto, and yes, of course. So size niya is XL, and of course made in China, and sa TikTok shop ko siya binili. Yes. Tapos yung black polo ko sa Shopee yata yun, ganon. Tapos yung necktie ko sa TikTok shop siguro. So yes, that's all, and it's XL na talaga. Maganda yung texture, diba, ganyan. Tapos meron din siyang 4 na botones dito pala, I forgot, 4. Tapos sa isa naman na 4 din. Okay, period. Okay, check. So yun lang, guys. Thank you for watching, and yeah, click the like button, click for more updated videos, like yung click all. Pag napindot yun na yung subscribe button, punta kayo sa channel ko. Okay, so yes, that's all, and yeah. Also, nakabili din ako ng bagong headset kasi nasira yung first headset ko. So yes, of course, and share to other people. That's all, and bye bye. See you to another vlog or unboxing. Bye bye. Hello mga sisterette ko. So today's video, we are going to open some parcel or order, and nag-order ako kay papa ko and lahat yun, of course. So yeah, let's take a look at it because I'm so excited. And first one is yung shoes kasi nabuksan na ni papa, of course. So, here are the shoes. Shoes! Okay. So, eto, nabuksan na niya ni Papa. Ganda naman siya. Okay. Basta ganun, guys. So, yan. So, of course, packaging. Ano pa ba natira? So, yes, kakatanggal ko lang na makeup. I'm done with my brushing my teeth. I'm done eating lunch. So, this day, dahil ito yung first na nabuksan na ni Papa, of course. So, this is a shiny shoes. Maganda siya. 100. Okay, hindi ko muna sasabihin yung mga kinemerit ka na. So, yan. Size 40, pero okay lang yan. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Ang ganda niya. Oh my gosh. So, ito rin yung, of course, yan. So, yes, that's it. 2 pairs, of course. So, yes, that is the first one dahil nabuksan na ni Papa ko, of course. Okay lang, guys. And, yes, sobrang gulo naman yata ng aking hair, diba? But that's okay. Ano ba yan? Ang gulo? Sobrang OA. So, I'm back, right, guys? Of course. So, of course, basta ganarch. And nag-ayos lang ako saglit about my hair. Kinemerit. So, this day, we are going to open the next package. Hindi siya actually, like, first package na kinemerit. So, ito, stickers to na for my rhinestones for my i-design ko siya sa ano ko guys sa outfit ko. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Unboxing time talaga. Oh my gosh, ayan na siya. Yung dami. Oh, diba? Ang dami. Uy, hindi ako makapaniwala. Siyempre, 3 binili ko kasi sobrang dami natin nilalagay. O, diba? Ang ganda. Wala, ang ganda. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. Like, I don't know how to react, but it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Oh, diba? Ang ganda ng kulay. Basta, oh my gosh. Say it in crystals. Kinemit ko. Oh, so, 3 binili ko. Patating pa yung first, so okay lang. I mean, yung kasunod nito, of course. Yan. Diba? Sobrang ganda. Basta ganyan. Ganda naman. Ganun. Oh, eh. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, of course. Nagtithank you ako palagi sa father ko. So, yan. Dyan muna natin nalagay. And next is the thing. Of course. Scary. Okay na. So, next one. Ito naman. Oh my gosh. So, yun yung stickers or rhinestones na pwede kong itikit sa damit ko, of course. And next, this is the bag one. Yay! Oh my gosh, ang ganda nito siguro. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda. Wala pa nga. Binubuksan. Pero nagandan talaga ako. Like, oh my gosh. The moment of truth. Ay, meron pa siyang packaging. Uy! Wow! Uy! Kagagan. Actually, talaga nag-effort ako dito, guys. Nag-ipon talaga ako. Siyempre, para sa prom, diba? Oh my gosh, the moment of truth. Oh my gosh! Uy, ang ganda! Ha? Sobrang ganda, babe! Ay, ang ganda! Ayoko na. Hindi na ako sasali. Sobrang excited ko kaya dahil kayo dito. Uy, ang ganda niya. Hala, oh my gosh. Look. Yes. Uy, ang ganda niya, bes. So, ganito siya. Meron siyang plastic pa dito. Sobrang ganda. Inayos talaga ng maayos talaga. Like, oh my gosh. So, oh my gosh, teka lang. Wala pa akong makeup din, pero mukhang naka-makeup pa rin ako. Ganun. So, yes, tanggalin na natin. Oh my gosh, dapat very careful lang tayo kasi you never know, diba? Nasa gilid lang natin magamit. Uy, ang ganda, babe. Like as in no joke. Ang ganda, babe. Ang ganda. Also, yung ano kasi, hindi pwede mag-heels doon kay shoes yung napili ko. So, ikot na natin. Ganun ba yun? Paano siya? Paano? Oh my gosh, ang ganda niya. Paano siya open? So, paano siya open? Wait lang. So, yon yung shoes, yun na lang yung napili ko. So, I'll be right back. I'm just going to open it, okay? Like, I will identify how to open it. Okay, so yun lang. So guys, na-open ko na siya. The moment of truth inside. Wow! Kasi meron siyang chains din dito guys, nakasama. Ayan o. O diba, sobrang haba. Uy, ang ganda. Ayaw pa na, di na ako sasali. Charan. Uy, ang ganda niya. It's so beautiful. Ang ganda ng pink. Diba? Ang ganda. Charan. Uy. Charan. Ilalagay mo sa ulo mo. Uy. Basta so ganyan siya guys. So this is the chains. It's very long. Long. Ang ganda niya. Oh my gosh. Sobrang talaga. Kakaiba talaga pag So yes, of course. Guys. And naman tayo sa ang ganda Ito yung lamin niya guys. I mean yung lalagyanan. Diba? Sobrang ganda. Wow! Ang ganda be. So ganito siya kung paano buksan. Ganun lang. Diba? Ang galing. Tapos pag i-open mo, paano? Ganun mo siya. Ganun. I-ano lang siya to guys. Ito lang yung i-open. Pag ganun. Tapos, sabay, pag ganun siya. Wait lang pa yun. Kailangan pa ba? So, i-ano lang siya. Itataas ng kaunti yan para marami. Pero actually guys, it's so very beautiful. Oh my gosh! So, ito yung labas. Yung outside. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Ang ganda niya. Oh my gosh. Hindi ako makatigil sa community. Ilang araw ko na to hinihintay and ang ganda niya. Oh my gosh. Kung makikita nyo lang talaga to sa in real life talaga. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. So, ito siya ganyan back to back. Tapos, ito yung kinalperut niya na ganyan. Diba? Ang ganda. Tapos, ito. Ito. Yan siya guys. Sorry guys, sinisipon ako din yun. So yes, dahil malamig din. And tignan natin yung sa loob. So first of all, may makikita kayong ganito. So yung ganito niya is yung nalagyanan ng yung gumagalaw ganun. Nalagyanan ng chains ganun. Tapos yan, kahit anong ilagay mo dito, kasha. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh. So yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use it. So that is my everything. So the rhinestones, ganyan. And then my black shoes. Wait lang. Sobrang okay. So here are the 3 orders that I have got. Dito yung sa back ng yung ibang gamit ko is nasa back ng camera. So yan, shiny, shimmering, shiny sparkle, ganun. Kasi yung theme namin, A Night of Glitz, Glamour, and Golden Memories. So siguro may mag-golden doon. Itatago ko muna to, and yung chains, itatago ko muna sa loob. Kasi, why not, diba? Oh my gosh, we need to be careful to baka kasi patanggal yung mga crystals, Oo, need na ito mag-ingat. Sobrang ganda niya guys. Like as in no joke. Ang ganda mo din. Sabi ko na lang siya. Okay. So lalagay ko muna yung chains. Wow, ang ganda oh, diba? Sabay. Oh, close. Diba ang ganda? Just shut up. Ano? Basta ganun. So, yan, rhinestones, kinemer. Hindi ko sure kung mamaya or bukas na ako kung ano. Hindi ko lang talaga alam ang gagawin ko na next. Basta ganun ang gagawin. Oh, ang ganda! Ang ganda. Period. Galerge. So, nakalagay natin sa plastic. Lalagay natin dito kasi baka mangyari. Dapat maganda dapat to pag ano. Like, I mean, maganda yung... Actually, maganda yung packaging, like, as in also. Like, I'm so totally obsessed with the... Yung ano din, of course, yung gamit. Yung ganun. Oh my gosh. So excited, guys. And then, ito yun lang. Basta ganyan ito yung back. Ilalagay natin siya sa mga plastic ganun para hindi siya masira or mawala. Then, ay nahulog yung water bottle. Ito kasi yung water bottle. Color pink. Actually, hindi pa ako naka-makeup. Kahit di ako naka-makeup, ganyan yung face ko. And then, we are going to... Wala akong makeup na suit guys. So, kasi ito, lalagay natin yung shoes natin dito. Pero tatry natin later. Ganun. Ba't ang hina ko magsalita naman? So, kasi gabi na rin. Okay, so, that's all. Thank you guys for watching. And see you on to another video, of course. And click the subscription button in my channel, and of course subscribe guys, like, comment, and share. Okay, be with me to this journey, and our prom is on Friday, so tomorrow is Thursday and I vlog this on Wednesday. So thank you guys. Bye bye mga sisterette ko and mga JMC fans, of course, and share to other people too. Comment kung may suggestions ka. Okay, so bye bye. Bye bye. See you again to the another video or vlog. Bye bye. So hello guys, this is the next day, which is Thursday, and we are going to open it again, another parcel, which is 2, and I'm excited, so let's open it. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting for this for so long, like, oh my gosh. Let's open it now. Oh my gosh. And I'm actually getting ready for the prom for tomorrow night, of course. What is this? Oh, wow! Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. The red one, the rhinestones, which is the this one, like this, like that. That is like the line rhinestone, like 1 meter rhinestone. Kinemer is the orange. So yes guys, this is the packaging, of course. Andito yung iba kong gamit at the back of my camera, and we are going to open this one because this is the crown, I think. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Wow! Oh my gosh, yes, it is the crown. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. Like, ading tignan mo, ang ganda, oh. Oh my gosh! Ang ganda niya! Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda! Look at that! Oh my gosh! Ang ganda. Charit! Wait lang. Ayusin natin. Tatry natin. Okay? Tatry natin. Yung ipe-placement lang muna natin. Woo! Ano siya maganda. Actually, maganda siya guys because it has like this one. I don't know what is this from, but what is the use of it, but I'm not sure. Basta ganun it. I'm so happy. Like, oh my gosh. Dapat front. Uy, ang ganda! Sobrang ganda, be. Na para bang... Ayusin pa natin yan kasi hindi pa yan masyadong nakaayos. Okay. Yan. Or kaya... Ay! Nasabit siya. Oh my gosh. Nasabit! This is so beautiful. Ang ganda niya talaga. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Lord. Like, sobrang thank you talaga. Pwede natin siyang ilagay ng pag ganon. Wow, pak. Ah! Tapos, pwede natin siyang tanggalin. Tapos, ilagay lang natin siya dito. Dapat hindi siya mahuhulog ngayon, guys. Kasi mabilis siya mahulog pag hindi nakalagay sa head. Okay. Basta ganyan-ganyan kinemerit, mahulog siya talaga pag ano. Pwede natin siya malagyan ng mga pins, ganun kinemerit. So yes, this is the mother freaking crown. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Thank you guys. And yes, that is for the opening of Kinemperut or unboxing the chains. Of course, I call this chains, rhinestone chains, and the crown. So yes, that's all. Thank you for watching, guys, and thank you for of course, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm doing something busy talaga. And yes, that's all. Like, click the like button, click the subscribe button on my channel, click for more updated videos of my channel, and comment or suggest whatever you want me to do, or what do you want to ask. Okay, that's all. Bye bye. That's all. Woo! Sobrang ganda. Mwah! Bye-bye! See you again to another video!
Does she love you better than I can? Yeah, I know it's too bad. I just gotta see it for myself. I'm in the corner, watching you kiss her. Oh,
Kailan pa din?
I'm right over here. Why can't you see me? Oh, I'm giving it my all. I'm not the guy you say. Oh, I keep dancing on my own. I'm going under and this time there's no one to save me. This hard night really got away, driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numb all the pain. Now the day leads into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled her up. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. Just gonna dance all night.
Chinat ni Clemente. Kita mo yung chinat ni Clemente. Nasa Nasaan po?
I'm all messed up, I'm so high.
Yung chinat niya is andyan po kayo. Andyan na
So
kayo.
that's a broken bottle.
Ma'am, saan po ako? Sa
Spinning round in circles. I'm in the corner, watching you kiss her. Oh, I'm right over here. Why can't you see me? Oh, and I'm giving you my all, but I'm not the guy you're taking home. Oh, I keep dancing on my own. I'm going under in a silent fear, there's no one to save me.
Wait lang, hindi pa nga nasa-save eh.
This all or nothing really got no way of driving me crazy.
Just the post.
Yeah, I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the weight of all the pain, how the day bleeds. I'm in the corner, watching you kiss her. Oh, I'm right over here. Why can't you see me? Oh, I'm giving it my all. I'm with the guy you're taking home. Oh, I keep dancing on my own. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down and never pull her up. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love.
Hindi mawawala ng basketball dito sa
Give them a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen.
You're so beautiful. Shimmering sparkling.
And a round of applause for our female candidates vying for our special awards tonight. Thank you, ladies. Thank you.